In modern industrial production, efficiency, safety, and stable operation are increasingly important. HEROLIFT provides professional vacuum handling solutions for various industries through continuous innovation. Why are the BL series vacuum heavy lifters trusted by professionals in the construction, manufacturing, and transportation industries? Let's find the answer in their actual performance. The BL vacuum heavy lifter is CE certified and suitable for upgrading production automation and digital management. With its robust structure and powerful lifting performance, it can easily perform material adsorption, handling, and positioning, eliminating the back pain and fatigue caused by manual handling. The HEROLIFT vacuum heavy lifter, with its high load capacity, can lift steel plates, aluminum plates, plastic plates, glass plates, stone plates, composite particle board, and more. The BL series has also become an ideal tool for optimizing production and improving efficiency. For users who need to handle large areas of metal sheets, HEROLIFT's BLC vacuum board lifter allows a single person to independently perform panel hoisting operations. It enables fast and accurate handling of metal sheets on the production line, with one operator easily managing loads up to 2 tons. The HEROLIFT BLC series offers electrically powered vacuum equipment with a SWL lift capacity of 750 to 2,000 kilograms, ready to use upon delivery, and can be directly connected to overhead cranes with hoists. This makes heavy-duty handling safer, more standardized, and more reliable. The BL column-mounted cantilever vacuum suction cup crane is a lightweight and highly efficient assistant to modern production lines. A single operator can quickly move up to 1 ton of material, increasing production efficiency several times over. It is suitable for various sheet materials, does not cause damage during handling, and has a small footprint, simple maintenance, and easy operation, making it a high-frequency equipment in processing and cutting workshops. Whether you're in manufacturing, metal processing, or laser cutting, the HEROLIFT BL vacuum heavy lifter can revolutionize your material handling processes. Make material handling faster, safer, and more efficient. HEROLIFT. Upgrading production starts with material handling.